Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, act like you know. It's going down, I'm your captain. It's going down, I'm your captain. It's going down, I'm your captain. It's going down, I'm your captain now. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. I'm your captain now. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. This is how you start a fresh rap with a new track.
Hi,
put your seat
welcome to EvNerds channel. Today I got the Flash Silver with me. Why? Because the Flash is silver. Go. This scooter has two motors. Each one is 1,200 watts rated. The big power of each motor is 2,400, so altogether it's 4,800 watts of peak power. This scooter can go around 85 kilometers per hour. I have tested it myself and with my friend Leo. Roll the videos! Silver Flash, let's see what you can do. So this is only one motor, not dual motors.
More bees with honey. My flow is like vinegar. Ooh, that's nasty. I'm a goalie in the streets, ain't nothing her getting past me. Chemicals and acid in my pen when I write it. Let it seep into your ears, brain, skin, don't fight it. Relax yourself, let your conscience be free. I gave you the medicine, don't blame your stress on me. I kill a rapper on TV for the loot if you let me. Look at her, I'm a savage with a style so heavy. D, look at me, fresh as I can be. Casket clean, always draped up to the T. Ooh, it's going down, I'm your captain. It's going down, I'm your captain. It's going down, I'm your captain. It's going down, I'm your captain now. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. I'm your captain now. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Yeah, I walk inside your building, take over.
Wow, this is scary fast.
So I was really surprised yesterday with the torque of this beast, and today I'm going to use the Drag Racer application that can tell us more about, or more precise, how many seconds does this scooter need to achieve 20 kilometers per hour, 30 kilometers per hour and 50 or 60 kilometers per hour. So again, I got some data. Yesterday I was unable to test the speed alone, so here is my go-to guy for speed, Leo, as you saw him in the last VSET 11 Plus video. Maximum speed we got was 71 kilometers per hour, and this is because we were afraid, and even Leo was afraid to go over 71 because the front wheel starts to wobble. Wobbling is because of the dirt tires, and we did not have the city tires fitted on. After all this speed test, we can conclude 1. Acceleration is incredible. This electric scooter is even faster, up to 60 kilometers per hour than the VSET 11 Plus. It's even comparable to Nami Bernie, up to 60 kilometers per hour. After that, of course, Nami Bernie will smoke this scooter. Incredible value for the money. Just loving this scooter.
I must say thanks to the Patty from TNE Scooters for sending this sample for me to review it and to show you guys how special this electric scooter really is.
Ladies and gentlemen,
so let me show you what we have right now, okay? This is the key lock that we use to turn on the scooter. It's very cool because you have this handle that attaches to the end of the scooter so you can carry it around.
belts on, prepare for the impact. In fact, I did that with less than a six-pack. But don't drink and drive, cause it's easy to sense that. The beat a crash dummy, don't smile, ain't nothing funny. Learned a long time ago.
But when you are not using it like that, you can just lock the key here so it doesn't, you know, play around when you are driving. The main features, which I haven't seen on the other scooters, are a freaking large display that shows all the information and it's totally visible on the day. The display shows the gear information, the kilometers, the volts, how much battery, the odometer, and then it resets to the trip meter. So the trip is 0 since I just started. Anyway, this is the on and off button. You use it to turn on the lights. Then again, you have the horn, you have left and right turn signals. Of course, the zoom brakes, hydraulic zoom brakes. It has single motor, dual motor switch. Then it has 1, 2, 3 gear. When I change here, now watch the screen. It has a little bit of delay. That's okay when switching gears, but it does the same with the speed. When you are reading the speed, it goes like 15 and then 30 without anything in between. That's maybe something that could be a little bit improved in the future. Information on the screen is dialed in with the GPS, so it really shows the exact information. It doesn't show 10 kilometers more like many manufacturers are doing. The handlebar is stiff. You cannot fold it, and I'm happy about that. I think it's around 670, something like that. I didn't measure it. Another locking system with password for opening up the scooter's body. And inside is a totally waterproof casing with the battery. The battery features charging points here, and they also feature a charging point here if you really don't want to open up the scooter or you forgot your key lock. You want to show the guys how do you exchange the battery?
Absolutely. So, you open this up, turn around, take this up. Now, you have to unplug the batteries, and then you just take it out. Simple as that.
And how heavy is the battery?
Well, almost as heavy as I am, so...
No, really? What do you think?
10, 15 kilos.
Well, let me see.
Am I correct?
Nah, yeah, it's
10?
probably around 10-12 kilograms.
10, yeah.
You can choose the battery size depending on how much distance you need to travel. The batteries are Chinese batteries, Chinese cells, automotive graded. What that means is they are probably used for some kind of electric cars in China and so on, and have quality controls. So there are two versions: 52 volt version with 10-inch tires and 60 volt version with 11-inch dirt tires. These dirt tires are 12 tubeless tires.
For best electric unicycles and electric scooters, check out EvNerds.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, act like you know.
I spent a lot of time with this scooter filming it, and I can tell you that riding this scooter feels comfortable, but also the ride gives me a feeling of the road. You cannot feel the end of the shock, so the shocks are perfect. They work great. They are not hydraulic, but they are adjusted for a large weight, and I love them much more than on the Creator. They are perfect for non-hydraulic shocks. And also you can feel the road on this scooter, so it feels totally different than VSET 11 Plus. This scooter, you know, it dumps everything it needs, but it still gives you a feeling of the road. Some people like more to ride with that feeling, and some people like VSET 11 Plus, where you feel nothing underneath because everything is fluid, like you are riding on the cloud. This one is also very aggressive in riding, and it has a lot of power, and I totally love the regenerative braking. On this scooter you have 0 adjustments for regenerative braking. It's adjusted in the factory, and there are no additional settings like the P settings in VSET or Zero scooters or any other. So and the setting is totally dialed in. I love it, and there would be no change if I could you know, change the settings. Like it does stop you, but it doesn't give you the feeling that you are going to, you know, brake too much and fall off the scooter. the throttle-based system. I really like more when using the scooters to use the thumb throttle or something like that, because you cannot really hold your hand here and accelerate and to be perfectly honest, feel really safe. I got used to this one, so I feel safe on it, but I still think the thumb throttle is much safer option, because if anything surprises you, you don't need to, you know, pull the acceleration back and then like press the brake, you know.
When I see that the throttle it's like on motorcycle, I was like, oh no. Actually, oh yes. When you have that kind of beast, the thumb throttle or middle finger something,
It's plus and minus.
yeah. I mean, you need to know what you are doing.
Yeah, absolutely.
But
Absolutely.
when you get used to it, it's like a motorcycle, but
Yeah.
better.
Do you think people from that side of the screen know how Zagreb is beautiful?
I'm sure
Yeah.
they might not know, but we're gonna show them.
It's going down. I'm your captain. It's going down. I'm your captain. It's going down. I'm your captain. It's going down. I'm your captain now. It's going down. 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 I'm your captain now. It's going down. 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 This is how you start a fresh rap with a new track. Put your seatbelts on, prepare for the impact. In fact, I did that with less than a 6-pack. But don't drink and drive, cause it's easy to sense that. The beat a crash dummy, don't smile, ain't nothing funny. Learned a long time ago, you catch more bees with honey. My flow is like vinegar, ooh, that's nasty. I'm a goalie in the streets, ain't nothing here getting past me. Chemicals and acid in my pen when I write it. Let it seep into your ears, brain, skin, don't fight it. Relax yourself, let your conscience be free. I gave you the medicine, don't blame your stress on me. I kill a rapper on TV for the loot if you let me. Look at her, I'm a savage with a style so heavy. D, look at me, fresh as I can be. Casket clean, always draped up to the T. Oh, it's going down. I'm your captain. It's going down. I'm your captain. It's going down. I'm your captain. It's going down. I'm your captain now. It's going down. 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 I'm your captain now. It's going down. 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 I walk inside your building, take over your whole facility. New sheriff in town, I don't know if you feeling me. Better listen up quick, pink slip in your mailbox. Feel like you was assaulted, I guess is what you tell cops. You're fired. When I fired the 45, you not fit for this position, the whole country tired. Never no more am I ever turn a blind eye. Pull them on the carpet, pull the facts, let me find out. The realest of the real, I'm the people's choice. I represent the people that ain't got a voice, or got a choice, or got a man. I'm here if you need me, I'm your backup plan. We can take over the world if you believe me, man. Listen to me now, believe me later, I'm your master plan. We can take over the world if you believe me, man. Listen to me now, believe me later, I'm your master plan. It's going down, I'm your captain. It's going down, I'm your captain. It's going down, I'm your captain. It's going down, I'm your captain now. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. I'm your captain now. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down.
Coffee time, Croatian time. In Croatia, we always drink coffee. There's nothing best, right, Goran?
And rakia.
Coffee.
With rakia.
Coffee with rakia.
Yes.
It's Irish coffee.
Yes.
Okay. Something like Irish coffee, but stronger.